Hey!
Hello. I am so happy to see you. Sit back, we have something new for you today. I will teach you some math magic. All we need are a pair of scissors and some pieces of paper. Let's start with an easy trick. Just imagine, I can cut a star from a sheet with one wave of the scissors. Would you like to have a look? I made a special video for you. Get ready.
Wow!
Hope you liked it. I can do a lot more. And all with just one cut. Try to guess what I will make in the next video. Look here. Did you see? I made a heart and a Christmas tree with just one cut. Now, I will share with you the secret of this trick. It is called symmetry, one of the mermaid's mysteries. I'll show you several tasks, and you'll get into it. It's just like looking in the mirror. Choose a symmetrical wing for this butterfly. Let's think it over again. Let's examine the shapes on the upper and lower wings. Super! Which of these pictures are symmetrical? Almost there, but we need to find all the answers. You're correct. What should I add to the pattern to make it symmetrical? Nicely done.
Whoa!
Great! Now you know about symmetry. This is the main secret of my trick. But it's not the only secret. Now, we will fold the sheets of paper and then cut off the corners from different sides. Let's see what we can do. Incredible! We cut similar corners, but got very different results. Do you see that all the shapes are symmetrical? Let's solve 3 more puzzles and add to our understanding. I cut a shape from the paper. What will I see when I unfold it? Close shot. Imagine adding a symmetrical triangle to the left. Great! I folded pieces of paper and cut some corners. Drag the correct results into place. Right. I want to unfold the paper. What will I see? One more attempt? Try imagining the number of holes, and how far they'll be from the edge. Well done! Wow! Great! Now, I will give you the most challenging problem of all. But don't worry. I'll show you how to solve it after. Look here. I made holes in a folded piece of paper. What will I see when I unfold it? Good job. Excellent. Now, let's try doing it by hand. That way, we can understand it better. You see, now we can solve problems with the help of a pair of scissors. Now all that's left is the most important trick. How to cut a simple shape with one sweep of the scissors. Let's cut out a check mark. First I will draw it on the paper. Then, I will fold all of the corners symmetrically. I end up with a straight line, and then I cut along it. Wow! That's the whole secret. The main thing is to fold each corner exactly in the middle. Now you can do this trick, too. But first, you'll need some training. Get a pair of scissors and some paper. Don't forget to ask the grown-ups for permission. And find out what you can make out of paper with just one cut. Good luck!